Beautifully kept character home with lots of original woodwork. Great space for entertaining with a formal dining room leading out to a trex deck that has access from the kitchen as well. Well kept and maintained landscape in the completely fenced-in yard. The garage is what you really don't want to miss, 4-car, insulated and heated. There are 2 possible bedrooms in the finished basement, just in need of egress windows. Master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets. If any offers are submitted before Monday, June 21, they will not be reviewed until Monday, June 21 at 6 p.m.